Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to record a Google Meet video call on mobile with audio. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Wi-Fi on your phone. Then you should go and click on this recording button right here. So simply I'll click on this recording button. Then now you will have to click on the settings icon just right here. I'll just put this up. Then I will use this option right here. Here you can select the resolution, you can select the video quality and the orientation, sound source. Here you should choose between system sounds or your microphone, your external microphone on your phone. So here in my case, if I want to record the sounds or the voices of the people with me in the Google Meet, I'll simply click on system sounds. But here in my case, I just want to record my own voice. So I simply click on microphone, and now I will go and choose the fixed frame rate. I will toggle this on. Then here the frame rate, you can choose between 30 fps, 15 fps, and 24 fps. And now we are all done. Now I can go back. Then I will simply click on this red button right here. Simply I'll click on this red button, and now I'm recording. Now go and open any Google Meet that you want, and the video will be recorded on your phone. So simply I'll go and search for a specific meeting link, and now I have joined a meeting. Now we can simply see that I'm recording while using the meeting. Now, if you want to get the video of the meeting, you should go and open your File Explorer, then click on Videos right here, and here you can find the video recorded on your phone. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.